Hi there, this is another free tool and it is called the Timesheet Generator tool. And in this tool, you can create a timesheet related to when the employee comes in and gets out of the office. You can use this to generate weekly payment or monthly payment. And to start with, simply hit the Fill Example button, and it will populate these values with some default values which you can edit. For example, let's say I want to change these times from 9 to 5:30 to, let's say, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can update that over here, and the time will be calculated, hours will be calculated, and that will be populated over here. And you can change the dates. You can also populate these values by CSV. Let's say you start and there are no such row for that. For that, you can simply download the sample CSV and then you edit that CSV. In that CSV, you will be entering columns like date, day, time in, time out, break hours, and note. And there is another method to import these day values by pasting a table. And here you can use either comma to separate these columns or pipe or tab. And you can also choose other values like rounding to nearest 15 minutes, or you can also toggle this daily overtime button. And there is also overtime multiplier. This is according to US rule. There is also overtime after. After 40 hours per week, everything is considered overtime. And 1.5 times the natural payment will be given as overtime. And you can also populate these values not just using start and end time, but also by hours. Simply toggle this hours button, and here for each day you will be entering hours. Like on this day I choose 9 hours instead of 8 hours. This will be updated. Here start and end times are not entered. And there are lots of templates like this one, whichever you want to use. You can also change the accent color. And you can change the font based on your brand. And you can also change the date format like MMDDYY or DDMMYYY, anything. I like this one. This looks pretty and understandable. And then employee name, employee ID, currency can be updated. You can also put your company logo by entering here or via upload button. There is signature line. Employee will be signing the sheet. And please note that everything is stored on your local device. So if I press this, these entries will not disappear. They will still be there. Or if you want to start over, simply hit the Start New button. It will clean everything. And now you can get to Office. Employee name, employee ID, everything has to be filled again. And there is some design. You can change that. And once you're done, you can download A4 or letter. You can also download in the format of PNG here. That's all. By the way, I am building this PinFlow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.